Ke district level inter-school Sobroto Mukherjee Kop Araja Arpsan bala pelong daka office district sports officer East Jaintia district kabla sedang nadu ke South Tarik Wichiliu Araja Arpsan la penhaparano hinin ke sing thoding Hamadan football Denshin room East Jaintia district. Hagane ke sengi penhaparda la don langru ke MDC ke Rempai Klirian ke kong Violet Lingdo Additional Superintendent of Police ke East Jaintia District, Kokong S. Tipani M. Rapsang, Principal School, Ginoy Hikai, Bat Bon Kiway Pan. Hakani ka tournament, la mi madan da ki real teliki team, Kibayakon, haka final, ka under 15 boys, under 17 boys, but under 17 girls category. Kilado mentau senam ki kentop ya ka Musniang Secondary School, Wapong Higher Secondary School, Kalota Secondary School, Denshin Room. Haka final, ka under 15 boys category, ka Musniang Secondary School, Kleora ka namlado hadin baklalap an pelim, ya ka KB Memorial Secondary School, Wapong dan Laila Non. Haka under 17 boys, ka Wapong Higher Secondary School, Kalayora ka namlado hadin bakpelim, da Saula Non, ya ka Senjat to bear higher. Kat bah ka under 17 girls category, ka Lotus Secondary School, ka Denshin Room, kala job da argo lingba kaya shoot tiebreaker persya ya ka Sunshnong Secondary School. Hadin balakut ke jingilek kai la samru iki kusnam shabaro ki team la ado bat ki bawan ba ar kumjuru iki kusnam shimet kentup ka best player of the tournament Arhaja Arpsan hala kijong ki category. U everlasting dakar ka Musniang Secondary School la yora ya kana best player haka under 15 boys category kat ba u Demitre Rembat ka Senjat Tuber Higher Secondary School ula yora ya kana best player haka under 17 boys kat ba ka Tetlut Sana ka Sunshnong Secondary School kala Korea kana best player haka under 17 girl. Kita kilai tili ki team kin mikman ya ka East Jaintia District haka state level inter-school Sobroto Cup Arhaja Arpsan ka Bansalong Hanong Ba Shillong. Kilai tili ki school ki bajab kin mikman ya ka East Jaintia District haka state level inter-school Sobroto Cup Arhaja Arpsan ka Balabu Banlongshan Hanong Ba Shillong.
And now Lotus Secondary School, but Kublai Shibon saw Yakajing and congratulations once again. But Kublai Shibon